Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off post views history on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and here as you see you will find privacy. Click on it. Now here you will find post views, just click like this, and here as you see click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off post view history. Easy and quick, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.